Polestar O₂ Concept shows how cars can be carbon neutral. It also has a drone that rises out of the trunk and follows the car. HSU March 2, 2022 at 7 a.m. revealed on a 85-degree March day in Beverly Hills. The Polestar O₂ Concept wears a resplendent azure coat just as blue as the cloudless Los Angeles sky itself. The hue is beautiful, but it also signals the concept's intentions, not only that the 2+2's fastback hardtop opens to the heavens, but that Polestar plans to be carbon neutral by 2030. With the Polestar O₂ sadly departed, Polestar is now a 100% electric brand. And carbon neutrality isn't just a catchphrase. When Polestar talks about its Project Zero initiative, it doesn't fudge the numbers like some automakers do. "It's something that's very dear to my heart," said Maximilian Missoni, Polestar's head of design. "There's no buying offsets. Emissions calculations aren't just limited to the use phase of the car. They're looking at the whole, to borrow a term from Mazda, wheel-to-well life cycle, from sourcing of raw materials to scrappage." The O₂ Concept was built with this goal in mind. Take the car's bonded aluminum space frame architecture, for example, which was designed by ex-Formula One chassis engineers in the cradle of race car engineering, Coventry, England. The body and chassis are together the most carbon-intensive part of the car. So with Polestar, from the outset, the aluminum is melted by renewable energy. The resulting structure isn't just lightweight and stiff, but each type of aluminum used in it is labeled by grade. This allows, when the car reaches the end of its life and is recycled, for different alloys to be separated by purity, which in turn retains the properties of each grade longer, extending the usability and life of that material. Another example of waste reduction comes in the form of what Polestar calls monomaterials used in the cabin. In a traditional car, the interior uses a combination of plastics, leather, wood, metal and other materials the customer never sets eyes on. These disparate materials are fastened together for durability and were never designed for disassembly. When it comes time to recycle them, it's incredibly difficult to separate them, so either it becomes time and energy intensive to do so, or the whole shebang is simply shredded and thrown into a landfill. Polestar, on the other hand, has developed a single type of thermoplastic that's used throughout the interior. Made from recycled polyester, it serves as the foam, adhesive, 3D knit fibers and non-woven lamination of the O₂'s cockpit. When it comes time to recycle its insides, there's no need to disassemble these components.
Hey guys, Chris here. In this video, we are talking about the brand new Polestar O₂ Concept and also some news on the Polestar 5, which is very exciting. But guys, this Polestar O₂ Concept just caught me by surprise. This is a stunning looking car that I had no idea that Polestar were going to reveal. I think it basically caught everybody off guard. It is a beautiful thing. But before we jump into that topic, my name is Chris. I have this channel dedicated to EVs. I do range tests, charging tests, I do reviews, and also do videos like this where we talk about brand new and upcoming EVs, and also buy EVs. I recently bought a Porsche Taycan Pro Turismo. I have a few videos out on that car here on the channel, and I'm going to make a lot of videos on it in the future. So if these are the types of videos you guys like, if you like the EV content, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the future videos. And also, if you like today's topic, the Polestar O₂ Concept, please hit that like button. Thank you very much. Here we have it. This is the Polestar O₂ Concept, and I have to say, this is one beautiful piece of design. It is a really beautiful thing to look at, and I love the exterior color. This light blue, sky blue, kind of reminds me of the blue that debuted with the Volvo S90 a few years ago, and Polestar and Volvo being closely related, both being brands within the Geely Group, both having headquarters in Gothenburg, and both the CEO and head designer of Polestar having a past in Volvo. It's not too far-fetched that this is possibly the exact same color that Volvo had in the S90. I would not be surprised, but guys, this thing looks so good. It's low, it's wide, it's small, it's kind of short. It's a small sports car, and they describe it as a roadster, but it is a 2+2, so technically it's not a roadster. Roadster is supposed to be 2-seaters, but either way, it's a stunning thing. It's like this coupe convertible, which is really, really cool. And the head of design at Polestar, Max Missoni, said that this is the top of the food chain. This is our halo car. And then the CEO, Thomas Ingelöf, said that the future of sports cars are electric. So there have been quite a few journalists who don't think this is going to come to market, that this is just, a design exercise. But them saying these things kind of makes me think that, are they going to build it? Why would they say that the future of sports cars are electric and not build this car? Why would the head of design, Max Missoni, say that, well, this is our halo car, this is the top of the pyramid, without them building it? Remember, the last halo car that was designed by one of these two guys was the Volvo O₂ Concept, which turned into the Polestar O₂. So, I mean, these guys and Polestar and Volvo have kind of a reputation of building their concept cars. So it would be super cool if they build it. So on the exterior, it kind of looks like a smaller version of the Polestar 5. It has the same front end, the same rear end, the same design profile, just a little bit squished and with a, well, convertible roof. And it looks so good. I think the design fits this style so well. It is a really, really cool thing. And then we have the interior, which is basically lifted out of the Polestar 5 or the Polestar Precept. I mean, it looks so good. I really do like the design, but I would say differentiating it a little bit different. I mean, them having, the ability to just design what they want. I would have wished for a little bit, maybe a little bit more sporty interior, but it's still a very good looking thing. And then we have the drone that comes out of the back, which is kind of gimmicky, but at the same time, it's a cinematic drone that can follow the car. If this is something they're going to implement, people like me who make videos on YouTube, who do car reviews, well, that is a very nice thing for us. Having someone or having the car just film itself for B-roll and in reviews and videos, yeah, that is very, very welcome. So some of the things about this car is going to be built using bonded aluminum, which is a process that should make the car even more rigid and, more light. So that is a very good thing. And also, they're aiming at making the interior as recyclable as possible and being able to recycle the materials time after time. So not only one time, but you can recycle them time and time again, which is really, really cool. Other than that, we don't have any stats on the performance. We don't have any stats on the battery pack. Again, this is a concept. This is why maybe people think it's not going to come to market, but, well, it is a really, really cool thing. So guys, let me know in the comment section down below. Would you like this to come to market? Would you buy this? Do you like the design? Is there another electric sports car that you think looks better? And this is kind of cool because we're lacking electric sports cars, and also an electric convertible is what I've been missing. I know there's the Roadster from Tesla, but I mean, that car was showed like 3 years ago. They still haven't shown anything close to a concept like this. I mean, this concept is much more production ready than that Roadster has ever been. So I have much more faith in that this is going to come to market than the Tesla Roadster, because they're already working on the Polestar 5. And segueing into the Polestar 5, a few days ago there was an article that the Polestar 5 is going to debut in 2024 and also going to be built in bonded aluminum, so it's going to have the same process. So I mean, they already have the production process down to a T with this O₂ Concept. So I mean, they already know how they're going to build it, and it looks like it has some carreview thing from the Polestar 5. Makes me believe that this maybe come to market is quite realistic. But the Polestar 5 coming to market in, well, 2024 on its own bespoke platform is really, really exciting. And also in this video they show that the Polestar 3, they show the Polestar 4 and also the Polestar 5. So the 3 being the next large SUV, the Polestar 4 being a smaller SUV, and the Polestar 5 being this next sedan. So it's really exciting. The Polestar 3 is going to come to market hopefully later this year, going to be revealed, and then the Polestar 4 next year, and then the Polestar 5 in 2024. So guys, let me know what you think down below. I'm pretty excited. I can't wait for this, and I hope really they build this. I would most definitely put down an order. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please drop me a thumbs up down below, and for more car content, as always, please subscribe. See you guys later, and goodbye.